Hello mathematicians, we're now going to take a look at subtracting decimals in columns. Let's look at our first example here, 28.35 minus 14.32. So we can say 5 take away 2 or 2 from 5, however you think of it in your head. Whichever way we do it, we should get 3 as the answer. 3 take away 3 is 0. We line up our decimal points as we did for addition. 8 take away 4 is 4 and 2 take away 1 is 1. Keep going. 1 from 8, 7, decimal points lined up. Now 7 from 2 won't go. So what we have to do is to work on the 2, and what we do is to borrow a 10 from the column next door. So we turn our 2 into a 12 because we've effectively added a 10. Now I've put the 1 up the top here, and I do that when I'm writing as well, to remind me that this number is to be read as a 12 now. But I can't just add 10 without doing something about it, so what I also do is put a little 1 down here. Now some people say this is paying back, other people call this equal addition, the name doesn't matter. But this little 1 down here works the same as when we did addition in columns. We have 1 plus 6 is 7. So we've added a 10 here, and we've made the 1 go up the top to remind us that it's effectively a 10 we've added. And when we pay the 10 back down here, which we can do at the same time, we read it as a 1 plus a 6. Okay, so then we say 7 from 12 is 5. Now we go over here, 7 from 8 is 1, and 0 from 1 is 1. So our next example, 6 from 8, 2, 5 from 7, 2, 7 from 2 won't go, so we borrow from the column next door to make it 7 from 12, and at the same time we pay back to the column next door. So 7 from 12 goes 5, and then 1 from 1 is 0, which we don't bother writing because it's at the start. For our next example, 5 from 0 won't go, so we borrow and pay back. Now 5 from 10 is 5, and over here 1 plus 9 is 10. We're taking that from 8, we can't do that, so again we borrow to make this 10 from 18, and we've paid back our 10 over here. So 10 from 18 gives us 8. 9 from 7 can't go. Once more, we borrow and pay back. So 9 from 17 goes 8, and then 5 from 8 goes 3. Now, if these last few caused you trouble, rewind and have a look at them. Otherwise, press pause and then try these examples. 2 from 3 was 1. 8 from 2 won't go, so make it 8 from 12. Don't forget to pay back. 8 from 12 goes 4. 1 from 2 is 1, and 1 from 1 is 0, so we don't put that in. Never lose sight of the size of the numbers that we're working with. So this was 12 point something or other minus 10 point something or other, which is almost 11. So when we get our answer, 12 take away almost 11, then to get 1 point something or other makes sense. Down to our next example. 5 from 6 goes 1, 3 from 9, 6, 3 from 8, 5, 1 from 5, 4. Nice easy one. 8 from 6 won't go, but 8 from 16 will, and we pay back. So 8 from 16 is 8. 4 from 0 won't go, but 4 from 10 will, and we've paid back. So 4 from 10 goes 6, 3 from 5 goes 2, and 1 from 7 goes 6. Up here, 5 from 9, 4, 8 from 8, 0, 7 from 2 won't go. So borrow, so it's 7 from 12, and pay back. 7 from 12 is 5, and 1 from 1 is 0. Again, we don't put this here. Now, if you've been finding you're getting them wrong, pay particular attention to the explanations, and then you'll be able to go back and try these again after this. So this next one, 9 from 0 won't go. So 9 from 10 will pay back. 9 from 10 is 1, and then 10 from 0 won't go. So we borrow our 1, that should be at the top here. 10 from 10 is 0, and then 10 from 0 won't go. 10 from 10 gives us 0, and 6 from 7 gives us 1. Our last example, 7 from 4 won't go. 7 from 14 will, and we paid back. So 7 from 14 is 7. 7 from 3 won't go, but 7 from 13 does, and we've paid back. So 7 from 13 goes 6. 6 from 2 won't go, but 6 from 12 does, and we've paid back. 6 from 12 is 6, and 5 from 6 is 1. Congratulations if you've got them all. If not, go back, watch the theory again, and try these examples once more.